Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover design assets with Canva. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Canva and sign in to your account. Navigate to the home page where your recent designs are displayed. Locate the All Your Designs section. Scroll through your designs to find the asset you want to recover. If you can't find it, click on the Trash folder located on the left sidebar. In the trash, you will see all designs that have been deleted recently. Browse through the items in the trash to find the design asset you are looking for. Once you find it, click on the asset to open it. After it opens, select the Restore option at the top right corner. This will move the design back to your main All Your Designs folder. Once restored, you can edit or download the asset as needed. If you still can't find your design, consider checking the Shared with You section. In this section, you can see assets that others have shared. You can also use the search bar at the top to type in keywords related to your missing design. If the asset is older than 30 days, it may have been permanently deleted. In that case, you might need to recreate the design from scratch or use previous versions if available. Remember to regularly back up important designs to avoid future loss. That's how you can recover design assets in Canva. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.